100 days design challenge to Xpress-Pixels. So today we'll be diving into another design. Okay, so without further ado, let's just dive into what we have for today. Alright, so the first thing of course we have to do is create our canvas size. Okay, so I'm going to save my canvas size as 102 by 104 pixels and I'm going to click on create. Good. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go into my file where I have my resources. Alright, I'm going to import the first resource, which is this. This is going to be our background. I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag and drop out of Photoshop. I'm going to place here. Alright, so once that's placed, I'm just going to increase the size. I want you to take up the whole space, of course. Increase the size, and then I'm going to click enter. Okay, so I'm just going to reduce the opacity on this side. Reduce the opacity a bit. Okay, we don't want it too much, so let me reduce the opacity. This is okay. I'm going to import the next resource, which is this. I'm going to drag it and drop it to Photoshop here. Alright, so what I want to do now, I'm going to increase the size of this and place this here. Alright, good. I'm just going to click enter. Let's drag this down a bit. Alright, now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to import the next set of resources I'll be using. So this is it. I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag and drop it out of Photoshop. I'm just going to place this right here at this corner. Let's reduce this. Alright, and then I'm going to drag this and place here. This one. So the next now to duplicate this. So I'm going to place my hand on Alt, I'm going to click, and then I'm going to drag this other side. I'm going to press Ctrl T to transform this. Right? The transform says I want to edit the position. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to flip it horizontally. Good. I'm going to drag it here also. Alright, once I'm done with this now, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to import the next resource I'll be using, which is this right here. I'm going to take this and drop it out of Photoshop. Now for this is going to be placed at this top corner here too on this side. This here. Alright, so let's reduce this. Enter. So the same thing, I'm going to duplicate this. So press Alt, you click, and then you drag out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform. So Ctrl T, I'm going to right click and then so Ctrl T, I'm going to right click and then I'm going to flip it horizontally. Good, so to be at this corner here. Alright. Now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to write my text. So I'm going to go to my text tool and then I'm just going to write the word tasty. T-A-S-T-Y. I'm going to select this. I will change the font here. I'm going to change the font to, I'll be using this Talia. Okay, I'm going to change the color to a shade of red. Let's use this here. Alright, I'm going to drag this and place in the center here. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add the next text. I'm going to go to my text again. I'm going to click. The next text I want to add is the word Saturday. Saturday. I'm going to select this, change the color to black, and then I'm going to click here where I have my font, and I'm going to change the font to Mozambique. Alright, I'm using Mozambique regular. I'm just going to increase it. Just going to drag this, increase it. Alright, so let me place this here. Good. So now the next thing I want to do is I'm going to drag this text Saturday behind this image here of the drink. Alright, I don't want it covering the drink. I'm going to reduce this, drag this down. Let's drag this down. Enter. Alright, this is a very simple design we're doing. Okay, so now next thing I want to do, I'm just going to add a text here again. Let's say DJ Poppins, DJ Poupins. Sorry. Control A, Shift DJ, then Poupins. Alright, that's the name. I'm going to change this color to black, but before I do that, I need to select everything there. I'm going to select it, go to color, and then I'm going to change the color to black, and then OK. Alright, so let's reduce the size of this, reduce this. OK, and then I'm going to place this here. Alright, place this here. So I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to add another text on the side. So I'll just press Alt. So I'm going to click and drag out to the side. I'm going to double click to an edit here. So I'm going to add, let's say, big OG. DOG. Alright, this is good. Okay. Alright, so just one last thing I want to add. Maybe like probably time. Let me just click on text and let me add my text on the side. So let me just write the word 10 p.m. Okay, I'm going to change this font to something that looks like this font for Saturday. Okay, we don't want to have like different fonts everywhere. So I'm going to select the PM and I'm going to reduce the size a bit. Let's just drag this. Alright, this is okay. I'm going to click back. Ctrl Z, sorry. And now PM, right? So I'm going to select the PM. I'm going to reduce the size to maybe around 15 or so. That's small. This is okay. 11 is okay. Let's use 11. Alright, so I'm going to just shift click on here and just drag it in a bit. I want to reduce the size. Good. Now I'm going to place this here. Now I'm going to click enter. Alright, so it's just to adjust. Alright, this is good. This is it. So last time to do now, I'm going to take a screenshot of my design. Shift Ctrl Alt E. Screenshot. I'm going to go into my filter, camera filter. Once my camera filter opens, I'm just going to increase the texture, increase the clarity a bit. I don't want it too dark. It's just a bit. So let's increase the vibrance. Okay, we want the colors to come out of it. Right, let's just click OK. I think this is okay. And now the last thing I want to do, let's just add noise. Filter, noise, add noise. So you can add as much as you want. Let me just take this out of here so I can see what I'm doing. I think this is okay. Just click OK. Alright, so with this we've come to the end of our design for today. I hope you learned something. Please well to like, share and subscribe. Okay, I'm going to see you in the next one. Click notification bell so I can notify for posting a video. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you wherever you're watching from. Have a lovely day.